only be getting the primary colors, which are yellow, red, and blue, plus some white and black and brown to create different shades of color. With these 6 colors, you should be able to mix any color that you want. So take a moment when you get your palette to just experiment and see what you can mix. When you paint, start with the big areas, then work into the more detailed areas. You can always paint on top of dry paint. So if you have something really detailed, just paint over it. Then go back in with a small brush and fix it up after your first layer dries. But first start with those big areas of color. Cover that entire page with color. If you want an area white, paint it white. The white that you paint is going to have bits and pieces of the other colors and be far more interesting to look at than the white of the paper. So first, your whole paper is covered in color. And now you can grab a smaller brush and you can paint details and texture. Just like we did when we did our prints, think about the line and what you should include to make something look like what it feels. Think about the type of line you can use to make the texture, the size, the shape, and the length. Add that texture. It will make your piece feel more real. You'll have at least 2 lessons to finish this, so take your time. But when you're done, it is time to put your creature in their living space. Choose where you want your creature and glue them in. You can go back in with a paintbrush and make the edges blend with the painting if you want, but it isn't necessary. You can just glue down your creature if that's what you're most comfortable with.